The Law of Attraction Part 2. Hey there, it's Arithro here again, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the Law of Attraction and what is it. So sit back and relax. What is Law of Attraction? The things I'm going to talk about are extracted from the interview of Oprah Winfrey. So listen carefully. Believe it or not, the law of attraction is not a complicated magic ritual that requires initiation into an ancient mystery school or secret order. In fact, it is a simple and unchanging universal principle. You guys are mostly familiar with the gravity? Yep, gravity is an unchanging law of our universe. Not believing in the law of gravity is not important. Steps will still fall and may break upon landing. But believing in the law of gravity allows you to predict and expect what will happen. The law of attraction works the same way. Things within our universe have a tendency to migrate to the other like things. We're using the word things here because this law encompasses thoughts, feelings, people, objects, and everything else in our universe. Like attracts like migrates toward like. Believing it is true or untrue does not change anything. It is a simple universal principle. However, if you believe it and get in tune with it, you can start predicting and expecting what happens to you and for you. Your awareness of the law of attraction can affect your life. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment and share this video. Subscribe now with lots of love. Bye bye.